Do you want to know a secret that could rock the financial world? Well, China is about to drop a bombshell that could change everything. In an interview with Jeremy Allaire, the Genius co-founder and CEO of Circle, he spilt the beans on what China should do to internationalize the yuan. Imagine a stablecoin called CNH Coin, backed by the mighty yuan, floating around the world, making the yuan a global sensation. Now, here's where things get spicy. The masterminds behind CNH Coin and another coin called AAAHDA Coin mysteriously got detained in Shanghai. But why? Nobody knows. Is there some kind of epic conspiracy going on? Oh, but the excitement doesn't end there. Circle, the brilliant company behind all this magic, is eyeing Hong Kong and Japan. They believe these countries could be their playgrounds for financial domination. China's potential shift towards yuan-backed stablecoins could reshape the global financial landscape as we know it. Follow for more news updates, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.